I am Khaled Zubair. I prepare this video for all. Chocolate ice cream is a flavor of ice cream which is the second most common flavor of ice cream, after vanilla. Chocolate ice cream is made by blending in cocoa powder in along with the eggs, optional, cream, vanilla and sugar used to make ice cream. The cocoa powder gives the ice cream a brown color. Although chocolate ice cream contains a heavy dose of sugar, the dessert does offer some health benefits. Chocolate provides natural chemicals that can help protect you from cardiovascular disease and stroke, and the calcium in ice cream can work to build strong bones. The best way to obtain a smooth, evenly textured ice cream is to whisk the mixture carefully and freeze quickly. The main thing you want to avoid is ice crystals forming in the mixture. This can be achieved by adding air into the mix. You can do this by taking the mixture out of the freezer after 20 minutes and giving it a further whisk. Tips: chill all ingredients and utensils before you use them. Be accurate with the quantity of sugar. Too much will prevent the mixture from freezing and too little will cause the mixture to freeze hard and rocky. Do not put warm mixtures into the finished container. Allow to cool. Do not fill the container because freezing will increase the size of the contents. Put freezer on coldest setting. Ingredients: serves 3/4, 200 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, 40 grams of fine sugar, 120 grams of Lindt 99% excellence chocolate, 70 milliliters of water, 140 milliliters of cream, 7 milliliters of vanilla essence. Whisk the egg and sugar and add the warm milk whilst whisking. Add the mix to a bowl and heat without boiling for about 5 minutes. Strain this mix then let to cool. Break the chocolate into pieces and place into another bowl. Add the water. Dissolve this slowly over a low heat. Add the melted chocolate to the previous mix and stir. Important: you now need to cool this mix. Once cooled, add the half-whipped cream and vanilla and gently whisk for 1 minute. Place this in your freezer. Remove after 20 minutes and whisk. Churn for a couple of minutes then return to freezer. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name Khaled Zubair.